You can download SwiftScreen by visiting our website and clicking Test SwiftScreen. Choose whether you would like to download SwiftScreen on an Apple or Android device. These links will take you directly to the download pages for the respective apps. From here, you can log in with your credentials or use the trial ones provided for you. Now you can start testing students and explore all the features that SwiftScreen has to offer. Additionally, you can download SwiftScreen on your mobile device by going directly to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Search for SwiftScreen by HH and look for the SwiftScreen logo.